Hey guys, welcome back to Karan's review. In this video, we're going to see about a viral bot review, guys. So let's get into the video. Before we start our video, I have a special link in the description, guys. If you want to get a special bonus, just get this viral bot through my link, which is in the description, and send me the screenshot that you have purchased through my link to my Instagram, so that you will get a special bonus, guys. So let's start our video. ViralBot, world's first backlink creator that delivers real results, guys. Yes, it creates real results, guys. So let's see its features. A ViralBot is create unlimited high quality backlinks and get high website ranks. If you want to get your website rank as soon, just get into ViralBot, guys. So it will rank your website also easily with millions of backlinks data. So it is easy and quicker to get traffic to your website. So it's simple as that. You want to get a viral bot. I have link in the description, guys. Just get to that link and watch its viral bot, or else I have made a separate video of viral bot demo video. So check my YouTube as well. You can easily access to its viral bot demo, guys. Okay, here are some of the major benefits you get in the viral bot. You can create high quality backlinks instantly for your blogs and websites and etc, guys. You can get anything that you want to get a traffic easily, guys. So that's what a viral bot do. Reach fast on Google. If you want to reach in Google page within a day, within 2 days or anything, you just use this viral bot, guys. So you can easily rank on Google page with no extra efforts. It is easier to rank your website or blogs or your anything that you have want to get a traffic. So next, get faster indexing for your web pages as well. If you want to get faster indexing for your web pages, that ViralBot actually does. So don't hesitate, guys. It is very limited time to get it. So please go and get this ViralBot. I have a special link. If you get this ViralBot through my link, which is in the description, and send me the screenshot that you have purchased through my link to my Instagram, so that you will get a special bonus. So it is simple. And then next feature is drive laser targeted traffic for any other in any niche. So if you want to drive a targeted traffic for a web page, for a website, or anything, a blog, or anything particular thing that you want to get a traffic, ViralBot drive laser targeted traffic for any offer that you want to get traffic, or in any niche that you whatever the niche can be. It can be love and relationship, it can be health and fitness, it can be making money online, whatever it is your niche. That ViralBot gives you a laser targeted traffic and automatic updates with no extra installations hassles, and 100% cloud based newbie friendly technology that you can easily stick with ViralBot at user friendly. And another best thing is it is beginner friendly too, guys. So if you're beginner just starting right now, there is no problem with ViralBot. You can easily go on and do a simple steps with the ViralBot, and you can laser target traffic in any niche, or you want to get rank on Google page, it all does by a viral bot, guys. So, and at last, the viral bot also has a step-by-step training and videos, guys. So if you are a beginner, if you are a newbie, and if you are just a starter, don't worry, guys. A viral bot is also there to help you. So it has step-by-step training videos, and don't think anything bad about it. So just register here for a live session on 26th September 11 a.m. EST, guys. If you want to register for viral bot live session, I have a link in the description, guys. Just go and register your name, whatever it asks you, just register it, and you just put it. So no problem, it directly take you to live session, and it will clear doubts, so don't worry. I have a link, guys. And finally, if you want to get a special bonus, just get this viral bot through my link and send me the screenshot that you have purchased, guys. So simple. And it is one of the high converting sales, guys. So it is fantastic to its customer support. So and it's also perfect for all types of email list and traffic. Send a quick and blast and see for yourself, guys. So no, it is launching on 26th September, guys. So don't worry. If that is a live session, guys. If you have any further doubt, just register with your name and your email ID. That's simple, guys. And if you like my video, guys, just hit the like button and leave a comment, guys, and please do subscribe, guys. And most of the viewers are watching without subscribing, so please do subscribe. It will help me to upload and correct my mistake in future videos. So you may think that I have 0 views or 2 views or more than 10 or less than 10, that's all. It's okay, guys, it doesn't matter. So there is a chance of getting a bonus is very less in my video, guys. So there is no competition, so please don't hesitate. Use my link, get this product and get a bonus, guys. Have a good day. Bye.